If you have used a Oculus or a MetaQuest VR headset, this is going to be second nature pulling this out. Comes with some batteries and a battery charger. Nice battery right here. Just take this. And this drone is, I believe it's under 249 grams. So you don't need to register this, I don't believe. Push that battery right in the rear, tap and then hold down the button just like all DJI products to start both the headset, the drone, and your joystick here. This is your controller. You got your joystick. You got start and stop record right on the side. You got a return to home and take off, and then your button right here. You got you got the adjustment for your lenses right here. A charging port right here, on off button. It has front facing cameras, so you can do see-through with this. Really easy to take this on and off. You simply put it on. You can adjust the back ratchet however you want it, and it tilts up and down. So you want to tilt that down, flip up your antennas.